Creating an efficient workflow in Netsuite is a straightforward process, and today I'll guide you through it. Begin by identifying the specific business process you want to streamline. Whether it's sales order processing or expense approvals, map out each step of the process, including responsibilities and required actions. Understanding the current workflow is crucial for optimization. Determine the triggers that initiate the workflow, such as new record creation or time passage. Define conditions for workflow progression, like meeting specific criteria for order approval. In Netsuite, workflows are typically created using SuiteFlow, the built-in workflow management tool. Utilize SuiteFlow's graphical interface to design the workflow logic, setting up steps, decisions, and actions. Configure automation tasks where possible, such as notifications, record updates, or approvals. Before deploying the workflow, thoroughly test it to ensure expected behavior across various scenarios. Once confident in functionality, deploy it in your production Netsuite account. Monitor performance over time using Netsuite's reporting tools, continuously reviewing and refining workflows for optimal efficiency. Solicit feedback from users involved in the process to identify areas for improvement and make necessary adjustments to align with business objectives.